I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Screen Print India to give us an opportunity to share with all of you a farm to fashion concept which Zydex is pioneering. And I would like to share the same with you. What are the different products which can be used and how we can basically address sustainability as an area of concern. So, first of all, we are at Zydex, a corporate which basically is located in Vadodara in Gujarat in India. And we as a company are committed to innovate for sustainability. If you see our DNA, it is innovation and sustainability. And when it comes to the textile division, we address all the way from farms to the fashion and the physical sort of aesthetic value, at the same time preservation value, at the same time hygiene values, all are taken care of. So essentially, the textile solutions in a sustainable manner is our goal. We as a company are also committed to sustainability for a larger cause of our future visitors to the planet, or we may want to also call them as our future generations. As the visitors to the 21st century, we must basically not be seen as grandfathers and grandmothers who visited the planet, used everything else, and did not leave any resources for the future visitors to use. So, anybody who is smart, is a thinker, and is meaning well will have to make an effort to achieve sustainability in all aspects of our life. And as all of us know, that textile is a big part of our life, and we must strive to achieve 100% sustainability in that sector. And today's presentation will basically be addressing this particular issue strongly. As a specialty company, we have been present in 40 different countries. We have been rewarded recognition as 25 most innovative companies in India by CII. We are a DNV certified, SA 8000 certified company with 9001 and 14001 certification also being available. As Zydex, we address 4 different verticals. So textile chemicals, the whole range from sizing all the way to finishing. Agriculture, we have new bio fertilizer technology. We have new technology for crop care system with natural pesticides and many other products in adjuvant area to take the chemical farming and allow it to transit to biofarming without use of any chemical which are causing pollution or toxicity in the environment. We are also in the business of paint and waterproofing, where long-lasting paints, which are based on glass matrix, silicate matrix, are also becoming available from Zydex. These are expected to last for typically 15 to 25 years lifetime. We also participate in road construction chemicals, where not only we have one of the finest product line for improving the bonding between bitumen and the aggregates, reducing the water damage to the roads, but we also have a complete nanotechnology package to make the soil basis water resistant, flexible, and strong, and non-expansive. And this is also one of the major breakthroughs, how in the future, what we call as perpetual pavement, will be built, and they will have an extended life of 50 years instead of 20 years currently, where the designs manage to achieve. The first opportunity textile industry has, where Zydex can help, is to achieve what we call as chemical-free sustainable cotton farming. As suppliers to the consumer, what we want is that the production of fiber, whether it is cotton in the field or it could be for the pulp in the rayon business, should be produced without any chemicals which can cause pollution or which is not very sustainable, like use of urea, DAP, like potassium murate, potassium based fertilizers, and so on. What we have pioneered at Zydex is there is a complete protocol called Prakalpa Sanjeevani. This is also for exports, we call it Project Revival. And this is a complete protocol for the farmers, step by step, which can allow him to transit from a chemical farming to a 100% biological farming, but improve the yield or maintain the yield in the first cycle itself with higher profitability. I think this has never been possible before. Whenever people try to go 100% chemical free, they always lost on yield. And I think this has been a limiting factor for the textile industry, because every time that resulted into increased cost of organic cotton. I think for the first time globally, a complete technology package is emerging where without the cost increase, you will be able to get 100% chemical free biological sort of farming to allow cotton or even to grow trees at a rapid pace. So we are confirming that 100% chemical fertilizers can be removed from the soil application. I would say almost 100%, all the toxic crop care residues because of the use of pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, and all that can be eliminated. This will help in reducing the toxicity as well as pollution. And one of the most important features of the technology which we have brought in is we can help the water consumption reduction to the extent of 50% in cotton farming. And this is a big deal because today most of the cotton with the irrigated sort of landmass is very water intensive. We have also seen excellent cotton production even with the rain-fed areas. And this technology will extend to both irrigated and non-irrigated belt. Anybody who is interested can always contact us for detailed system. Sorry about that. The next offering from Zydex is about garment printing, and which is relevant to this screen show. We are producing one of the most amazing eco-friendly garment inks for printing on the carousel machine, on the tables, or on the semi-automatic machines. The key feature which we bring to the table is a very soft feel with a acceptable and an extra stretch even for the babies, and it has a very dry feel. Most of the time when you start achieving very soft feel, most of the inks, they are wettish in the feel. Zydex specialty is we are able to offer a dry and a very soft feel with the stretch maintenance. Another, from a sustainability perspective, a feature which we have built in our ink system, we do not need to add any cross-linking catalyst. The advantage to the printing units and even to the buyers who are specifying our inks is this would eliminate wastage of inks post printing. You always save some ink or the other, 200 grams, 300 grams. If you can just put it in a small container and use it next time after 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, it will reduce the wastage and pollution. Few features which we excel in is excellent washing fastness, even up to 5 cycles at 60 degrees centigrade. We also see our whites with excellent opacity, with a ground coverage achieved in only 2 rounds. So maybe 2 by 2 is something which is very achievable. This helps in accelerating the production in the field and sort of saving the overheads by producing more number of garments per hour. We also offer special additives to enhance the softness further, and at the same time it will make the film feel thinner. Because these are high opacity inks, you can achieve that balance based on what is required. So whenever you are doing very high quality, very soft, thinner, almost discharge like printing, you can depend on Zydex. Photo prints is something which is our specialty. So fine lines, fine motifs, and fine meshes up to 120T are feasible to be produced without clogging. That's the key. And you can even run 12 colors and up to 14 color designs very comfortably without screen clogging, without getting a build-up below the screens, because of the excellent re-emulsification, excellent mechanical stability of the inks, and also it does not skin very easily. It remains fluid, workable in the screen, even under hot conditions of India and Indian subcontinent. So I'm sure globally also you will not face any problem anywhere with these inks as far as the workability and non-clogging performance is concerned. We produce products for table, manual printing, and automatic printing machines. There is a series of K2 for all the colors, around, I think, 9 to 10 colors we offer. We also offer table grade and machine grade inks for whites at different price points. Also the clears at different price point for the table printing as well as for the machine printing. Fluorescent and color emulsions are also offered as a package to customize the printing formulation at the shop floor. We also produce very high quality binder clear systems for glitter printing. We also produce K2 puff system, which can give you puff printing. One of the also important product which we also offer is for the foil transfer adhesive, and it gives one of the most amazing bright foil lamination. Modifiers like ink reducers, modifier like mattening agents, modifier like R55 for softening applications are also available. Sometimes for some special applications where you want extremely fastness to washing, Catalyst KX and Catalyst 90X are also available to give you 90 degree centigrade wash resistance on polyester. One of the areas where Zydex has now pioneered and is becoming a rage in the industry is the next generation innovation in the binder technology. I think we have now brought in for the textile industry one of the super soft pigment printing solution. The prints are almost feelless with a very nice hand, and they achieve global standards of crock and washing fastness. If you see, there are two packages which we offer. One is the premium package, which is Zytrol 900. Amazing fastness in terms of crock and wash. You're looking at basically dry and wet, almost 4-5 and 3-4. Excellent washing fastness. And the whole package is designed to work as a system. So Zytrol 900, Zycoprint Plus, R66, R88, And also we offer a economical print package, but with the soft hand. And that's Zytrol 800 package. There the softener and the Zytrol 800 are the two cheaper components which can reduce the cost to an acceptable level, where most of the conventional pigment printing can be replaced with this soft hand package. One of the flagship introduction of the technology is the Apricon system. Apricon is a word coined for that particular range of product, because we want to convey that we now have a technology which is true replacement of a reactive print kind of a, I would say, there's a new option where you were practicing reactive dye printing. Now you can replace that with the pigment. Now, for almost 40 to 50 years, this was not possible. But I think Zydex has made a breakthrough in terms of the polymer chemistry, in terms of the design of the cross-linking chemistry, in terms of the monomer selection, which allows us to design a very, very super soft binder like Apribond. We also have a very special thickener, Apriprint, for this particular package. We have designed an additive to enhance solidity, because whenever you print with reactive dyes, you realize that the dye is reacting at a molecular level, and the kind of solidity it generates is far superior than a particulate pigment system and a particulate binder system to bind it. So solidity was always a compromise with pigment printing system. In order to achieve the same solidity of the reactives, we have specially designed R44 to get a solid effect. You will be amazed to see the kind of blotch printing results which the Apricon package delivers. The R66 is the additive for controlling the leveling brilliancy. The R88 is improving the softness, where it becomes feel less. That means the white portion and the printed portion, you cannot really see any difference now. And it also improves the crock fastness. So I think this is something which can be added depending on 0.5% up to 2%, depending on what are the depth of the color which you are practicing. To sum it up, now you have a reactive dye printing replacement technology, which would be print dry cure process, eliminating the effluent. That means saving water and also become less energy intensive, so more sustainable. You can have very, very fine designs and print up to 195 mesh also, which can almost give you a digital look with the rotary screen printing. One of the limitations of reactive printing is color matching and the final output, because it depends on the steaming conditions, depending on the print quality and wash off resistance and all kinds of things, the quality of thickness and everything. So most of the reactive printing today globally is limited to 6 colors to 8 colors. But with this technology, you can push the envelope now. The reactive type of printing, similar performance, but now you can go to 12 colors, 14 colors, 16 colors, depending on the number of rotary screens you have on your machine. And the best part is, being a print dry cure process, your turnaround is fast. Your rejection is practically less than 0.5% or 0%. And it is suitable for all cotton, viscose, and particularly polyester blend. You don't need to do now the dispro printing, what we call as the reactive and disperse combined. So the technology lends itself to give you increased productivity, more meterage per hour, resulting into better profitability by saving water, energy, and reduce the labor cost, and at the same time address your sustainability goals. So I think these are the few takeaways from the Apricon. Just to show it at a diagrammatically, since it is eliminating the steaming and washing processes, no effluent generation is seen and need to be treated. And also you see a substantial reduction in fabric rejection because of color matching issues, and also sometimes even bleeding and tinting issues, because sometimes the dyes, they hydrolyze over a period of time, and by any chance if the hydrolyzed dye is taken in the printing, it will not exhaust, react completely, but it will get washed off, and then you have a chance of tinting your white portion. When Apricon is used, the white portion is clean like a white. So the contrast is very, very good. So any design which has the white background open, Apricon is the way to go. Amazing performance I have seen. So just to sum it up, 75% of the water will be saved of the total process. When you produce a fabric with the Apricon instead of reactive printing, energy saving almost to the extent of 55%, productivity increase almost by 50%, reduced fabric wastage almost by 3%. That's a big cost. And overall printing cost will be down by at least 15 to 20%. That's a big saving. Though Apricon as a technology, as a product line, will be more expensive than the conventional binders. But at the same time, when you see the performance and you compare it with the reactive printing, you will find that it becomes economical and it becomes also highly productive. And then you are also starting to achieve by reducing your carbon footprint. Now, is everything all good? The answer is no. There are also limitations of Apricon, particularly when you deal with very, very deep colors. 8%, 10% shades of reactives are very, very difficult to match with the pigment in terms of the depth of the color. And so what our experience has been that if you can eliminate the dark designs, then you may have something like 60 to 65% of the printed design, which can be addressed through Apricon and the soft feel Zytrol solution, which we talked about. So I think leaving apart maybe 20 to 30% or 35% of the deep color reactive printing, I think this technology will now lend itself to allow your goal of achieving more and more sustainability. And hopefully, as time goes along, maybe we can start developing technologies which will even come closer to the darker shades performance for reactive prints. Just to give you a summing up of how innovative we have been over a period of last 2 decades. 2013, we have been rewarded a award by the Global International Road Federation for innovation in the road additive business. We are also the India's top innovator for 2014 for our innovation in nanotechnology by Marico Innovation Award. They had sort of recognized us. FGI from Gujarat has also recognized our innovation in agriculture as one of the most important innovation, best innovation award. And CII in their 2018 survey and innovation award, they have listed us as the top 25 most innovative companies of India. And there are many more. So thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to present some of the key technologies Zydex is now pioneering and bringing to the customers for improving sustainability in the textile area. And please visit our website, that is www.zydexindustries.com, or you can contact Mr. Amir Sheikh. His mobile number is given below. And thank you very much for your sort of patience and watching this video. Thank you. This is Dr. Ajay Ranka from Zydex. Thank you.